Welcome to today's show. It's raining here today, but that's alright. We're under the deck. Today we're gonna make this fanny pack. It's my wife's fanny pack for traveling, just a little bit safer. So we're gonna put this steel cable in there, and we're gonna sew it right inside the webbing and across to each buckle. So that if you ever get pickpockets, sometimes if you're in places, big cities, people just cut the webbing and then your pack drops off and you don't even know it. So we're going to prevent that by sewing this in. Well, let's see how we do it. I take this awl, and find the back here, and I'm going to poke it right through. Poke it right through. So we can get that cable through. Poke it through and then push that cable through. So behind the lining here, I'm going to poke it through. So when I sew that back up, you won't even see it, it won't bother you, it won't get cooked on anything. So here the stitching's out. Let's try it. There, so I went between the webbing here. I just took my little pocket knife and I just went in between and just made a little hole. And this cable is just small airline cable you can get at any hardware store, just 20 cents a foot or something. So this piece here cost about 60 cents, and maybe it's going to save all your valuables. So we'll just thread it in there, we'll pull it right through. I just push it through and I'm just going to thread it through like that, and we'll do the same on the other side. By the time we're done, you won't even know it's there. Just did the same on this side. I just poked a little hole with my pocket knife here. We'll stitch it up later, right through. We'll thread this cable through there. This wasn't feeding as good as I thought, so I just put a needle and a thread, and I'll just tie the cable to the thread and pull it back. So I tied it through, pulled it, and it's just going to pull right out. I was stuck on something, but we'll get her out. Just pull her through. Now I got it. We're going to just sew it in there, and then it's pickpocket safe. It's not perfectly safe, but it's a lot better. Here you can see I sewed it together with these both through here, thread it through there. I can stitch it to there, and I thought that's taking too long, so then I just spot stitched it there every little way all the way along to hold it in place. So here it is. It's all fixed up, a little stiffer, but a little more pickpocket proof. Thanks for watching.